You're ungrateful.
My girl, what you mean by half a lava team can't travel? What you know about the people
Mitchie,
when
that's
they
why I
when
just
they
said
shut
that.
all off
I'm
team?
answering her.
Travel.
Move your blood clot.
You
What you
can't
know about the
travel
people
with
when they
your
shut all
man
off
blood
team?
Puss
But
can't
half
clot
of
show
them
out.
my
can't
picture
travel.
for
What you know
life.
about them, girl?
Puss can't show my picture for life because Puss been want to argue with me and me not argue with Puss because Puss look at Puss uglier than herself. So that's why me never argue with that woman the morning. Because that ugly woman that when you Puss, she been want to argue with me. I mean not argue with nobody we're uglier than themselves or blood
First
clot.
of all, we're not
Puss,
even dealing with
Puss
Puss.
teeth
Puss
them
is
broke up
gone
in
and
her
done.
mouth. At least my teeth them river jagger and jagger morning. But Puss teeth them broke up in her mouth like blood clot chalk. So Puss can't show no picture of a blood
Puss had
clot
her
me.
days
Puss
that time.
ugly and Puss blood clot looks a fight against her. So me not argue with nobody who uglier than themselves. You understand me, money?
Her time
Yeah.
come, gone, and we're not even dealing with her. That is not the problem right now. So we're not even dealing with Push. She not get no bus over here, so right now. So right now is Mackerel time. She want energy, she get the energy, and after today, don't even
Is
answer
that
it.
relevant?
Yes.
Look.
Puss
She
can't
looking
show
for
no
a
picture
boss. She's
over
an
here.
ungrateful bumper clap
Dirty
girl.
too cool to be go. Go suck out your dirty stinking mama and I send no blood clot like the request over here. So before me have a blood clot, before me have to shoot you blood clot down to it. You stink na blood clot and you look moul in a blood clot. Don't blood clot come back over here. Dirty stinking nasty blood clot inscrupulous drunkard.
Who is that?
No one dirty blood clot, man. Every minute I send request, move you, come here, block you and stone your
Cussin, who
blood
called
clot.
Suku name?
Yeah, she was like, she not afraid of Suku. She not afraid of Nikki. She not afraid of nobody not afraid of you.
They better stop playing with Suku. And that's what another thing I tell Suku.
Everybody
Suku come on
ever
this
call
blood
up
clot
Suku blood
life
clot
thing.
name.
And Suku be laughing and joking. And they think
Silent
Suku
River
is a
run
pussy.
blood
Suku is
clot
not a
deep.
pussy. And
I
yeah, I
don't
don't
know for them
understand
idiot,
that.
you know.
The love card
Just
Suku
from
them like if
about
Suku is a
fucking
pussy.
ugly ass Mackerel.
Meaning I'm not answering no fake page. Once you can't send a request
Exactly.
and once you can't come
You
on
say
this
she not
live,
afraid of none of
I'm
it
not
over
answering no
Chatala.
fake page. Suck your mother right through, right to the back. Suck your
Puss
great
can't buy out
grandmother,
no
your
one,
great
cause
great
Puss uglier
grandmother, and your
than herself. And
ancestors.
this trip, Puss now run off her mouth. I mean, not argue with her. Puss uglier than her blood clot self. Puss dirty. Puss footwear wash. Yeah, Puss ugly and still bad. Puss uglier than herself. So me not look on her
A
blood
relevance to
clot.
not try get for the blood
That's
clot
what I'm.
somehow.
That's
No
what.
move on the
That's what I
blood
tell
clot.
Soy.
Puss
Don't
about
even
one
answer Puss.
and
Don't
Puss
even
always
answer Puss.
want in
Puss
an
time
argument.
come and
Me
gone.
Puss ugly in her blood clot.
Puss time come and gone. Why you still? Why you dealing with Puss? Puss was like what 20 years ago.
Thank
BC
you.
before Christ. We off for that now. It's Mackerel turn. She want a bus.
A
She want
Mackerel
a bus
blood
back
clot,
again. You
selfish
give her the
blood
bus.
clot turn. Saltfish turn.
Some of them don't
No
have
Blood
enough time
relevance.
for
So
clot.
no
blood
know
clot
who
too.
blood clot name. So no relevance.
As she
No
said,
acting.
tell
No
Nikki
heat up.
send the request. But you're
Move
not
on the blood
arguing with
clot.
Puss side. You not
Me not argue
arguing with
with
Puss.
Puss.
Puss
Puss
time
uglier than
come and
herself.
gone. And the truth
Me
where God
argue
love.
with dirty blood clot Puss. Look from when Puss was
No
argue with blood
relevance.
clot me. I mean I look pan Puss. Puss uglier than her blood clot self.
Out and
Puss keep
fucking
them broke up in
harder.
her blood clot mouth like chalk.
No, don't answer Puss time gone, man. That was what, since last year?
Them can't cause me come and have clothes. Puss not have no blood clot clothes. Tell Nikki come here. Puss have clothes. Puss teeth them broke up in her head like blood clot chalk. Puss foot dirt in a blood clot. All when Puss dead, them have got chop off her foot for blood clot bury her. Cause them can't watch her
Them
blood
keep on
clot.
a say. Them
Puss,
keep on a say. Nikki a call your
Puss
side.
ever argue.
Tell Nikki
Puss
come
ever
over
argue
to
with
Soy
me.
Life, she
The
said.
good
And
pussy, I'm a
Soy is
good
gonna add
body.
her.
When my mother make a this puss ever
Right, this
argue.
so.
Puss still bad. Puss still bad. Puss ever argue with me. And me lava should I make the song for. After you sit down for your man body. Mackerel are a car back. Mackerel look like a stick dolly. Blood clot and me
So you only
lava
said
should
tell
make
Nikki to add
nice
to
blood
come on
clot
her
and
live.
me back in shake. Move your blood clot. Mackerel ugly and Puss ugly in a blood clot. Puss foot dirty. When Puss dead, them have got chop off our blood clot foot for bury her. Yeah, chop off our head. Puss and her head can bury in a one blood clot castic. Them have to get two castic for bury Puss. Our head have to go one way and our body have to blood clot go way. One way. Kind of grave can hold Puss, body and her head down. Right there, something.
Right
Yeah.
through.
No grave. No grave. Can't hold Puss.
Body dog.
Body down. So Puss, when Puss dead, them have got chop off her head, put it in one casket,
Murder.
her body in one blood clot casket too. Puss, talk to me. Talk to me blood clot nice and properly. And put in your teeth them too when you talk to me.
Can I
Yes.
get a whoa?
Wow.
Whoa.
Yes, talk to
Blood
me.
clot.
Yeah. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come nice Puss. My nice no blood clot. Puss, you ugly. You look about her. You
A
can't.
relevant look.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
that's why I
really
keep telling her
blood
don't.
back.
How many
No
times should